In this video, I'm going to be sharing 8 best websites that you can actually use to market and sell your products online because you need visibility. If you're trying to make money fast or you're trying to start an online business, there are websites that always help you. They can always help you to reach your target audience, to reach your target market. For you to optimize your revenue, you actually need this website to be able to make money online very, very fast as possible. This website helps you to sell worldwide. Anywhere you are, you can actually sell with any of this website, and people all over the world will be seeing you. The important thing is this: are you ready to promote your business? Are you ready to market your business? Because it's very, very important for you to promote your business using any of this website. Guys, let's dive into this video. There are millions places and websites that you can actually sell your products. But I am going to be listing the best ones that you can actually start today and start making money. The first website that you can actually use to make money and reach your audience and be visible because you are selling from the house. Build your own e-commerce website. Building your own e-commerce website is one of the ways that you can actually help to, reach your business audience, reach your clients, and you can sell directly to them. You can sell directly to them. Nobody is coming to your house to rescue you. So you need to put those things out there. And because you don't have a physical shop, you need this website so that you can actually sell faster. Having your own website is one of the ways that you can actually, sell faster to your audience. You can brand your items. You can sell any type of products. No policies. Nothing like you don't sell this. Nobody's commanding you. This is your website and you do whatever you have to do on there to make money. The only thing that you need to do is to promote that your website because people might not be visiting it. So you need to market it. Maybe in few weeks or few months you might start having sales. And you can use a hostinger. You find a domain name and you pay for your plan. You can also use WooCommerce to build this website, and then you now find templates that can suit your level the way you want it to be. Building your own website actually makes you to become the number one of your life, of your business. Building your own website helps you to direct the business the way you want it, and there's no third party. You're not paying any commission to anybody. You are the one directing everything and it will work according to your way. You can sell any type of items that you want. Unlike some website that will tell you what to do, they have policies, and if you don't meet them up, they might even close your account. So the first thing that you actually need to do is to start and build your own website where people can always come there and visit you and, and buy items. And the second one is Etsy. Etsy is one of the best selling e-commerce platform that you can actually go into today and start making money. And they have plans. It allows people who are into handmade products, crafts, artisans. These are the people that can actually sell their products on Etsy. Handmade products, vintage products. And if you know that you have some of these items, hand creation, any of this, you can actually make money using Etsy. Etsy have different kinds of plan. They have business plan, they have professional plan, which you can actually pay for. And you can actually upload as many as you want. The only thing that you need to do is to know that you can actually pay for some of these plans and it's not actually free, and you can use it and sell worldwide. This one is Amazon. Amazon is one of the best selling e-commerce website that you can actually market your products. And this because they have large audience. They have 2 billion visitors in a month. So you can imagine traffic is already there. Because if you have traffic on your website, you're already making money. There's no how somebody will not say buy, will not buy anything. People will definitely buy from you. And on that website, they sell 4,000 items per hour. And they have different categories for sales. They sell audio, they sell books, they sell furniture, they sell digital items, they sell tech, they sell gaming. Anything that you want to buy is on Amazon, guys. So this is one of the selling platforms that people are actually promoting their e-commerce products. Amazon, they have business plan, they have individual plan, which is $0.99, and they also have business professional plan, which is $39.99. So no service is free there. So you actually need to pay up for the kind of plan that you actually want to do. For people that want to test the waters on Amazon, you actually need to start with maybe 99 $0.99 because you're not sure that you actually want to, sell there. So you can test the waters with that particular plan, which is individual plan. And the next one is Facebook Marketplace number 4. Facebook Marketplace is one of my favorite places that I always like to sell my products on. And because it is free, billion people are on Facebook. They have millions. When I say billions, almost all the world countries are using Facebook. So if you use Facebook Marketplace, definitely you are going to be making money, and it's free. Of course, it's free. Nobody is going to charge you money to sell your products, to sell your items on Facebook Marketplace. All you actually need to do is to get the pictures of the listings that you want to put up there, and put the descriptions and put the tags, and boom, people will start sending you message. It's easy in communication. You can communicate with people, and people will now talk how you can actually do your delivery. That is one thing about Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a very good place for you website. You can sell your items free, and they don't charge money for it, unlike some particular website that can actually ask you to pay for some plan. So you don't pay for any plan. You can actually post new items. You can also post used items on Facebook Marketplace. And before you know it, you start making money by promoting your items, your listing on Facebook Marketplace. And number 5 place website that you can actually promote and market your products is what? It's Poshmark. Poshmark today is one of the places that you can actually promote your websites today. And Poshmark, they are into fashion brands, they are into used fashion items, accessories, home decor, beauty products. So if you're looking for where to sell your products, fashion items, beauty, accessories, Poshmark is one of the places that you can actually promote your items, and they charge you for their services. It's not actually free. And when you start promoting it there, look for the plan that suits you, and you start making money, you start making your sales. They are not that, people don't know it that much, but people are actually making sales using it. And the next website that can actually help you to sell your product is eBay. eBay today is one of the big platforms that can actually help you to sell your products because it is very, very wide. It's almost like Amazon, and they have quite lots of visitors, almost 180 million people, over 80 million people visit that website. You understand? And people always search for it to get some of the secondhand products. That is why people are always going there. And you can actually, they have this auction pricing where people can actually price from some goods, and they have different plans as well. You can also put products, list products up to 200. And once it's over that 200, any other listing that you want to do, if it's over 200, you'll be paying 30 cents for any items that you are going to be putting on their platform. And they have a sellers protection policy, and they also help in their shipments. They use ops, they use FedEx and other delivery items to be able to ship their products to their customers worldwide. These websites can actually help you to sell your products worldwide. And the next item website that you can, the next website that you can actually sell your products right now is Shopify. Shopify is a website builder that allows you to use their professional templates and build your own website so that you can actually reach your target audience. They can even promote it using, you can use Shopify to sell products on Amazon and also eBay and other websites. This is one of the biggest platforms that is helping people to make money if you're looking for where to sell your items online. And the next one is Bonanza. Bonanza today is one of the website, although it's not that popular, but some people know it. They have millions of customers that visit their website. They have plans that you can actually put yourself in there and also market and sell your products, guys. Which other products? There are lots and lots of marketplaces, website that you can use to promote your products. This one I mentioned are the top ones that you can actually use to promote your products worldwide. If you enjoy watching my video, guys, please subscribe to my channel. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.